It has come to my notice that many of us still don't know how to filter leads and save leads to our sequence that we already have on Apollo. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this video today. So I am going to be filtering leads for a human resource management software which we sell. We want to sell this software to a real estate company. So we're going to be using our filters. The decision makers are going to be targeting the human resource managers, and we are going to be targeting real estates. So we're going to be looking at the filters of the leads which we already filtered for human resource management. As you can see, there are a list of several ways for you to filter. You can include or exclude a particular company that you do not want to reach out to. You can enter the particular companies which you have in mind to reach out to. You can search for them and also filter. You can set a filter by location. So I'll be making use of Nigeria because that's my target audience. One thing that you want to make sure you have already is your ICP, your prospects, your ideal customer profile. Make sure you already have that on ground. That's what enables you carry out effective filtration. So are there company keywords that you want to include or exclude? Maybe let's say finance companies, you don't want them to be part of this. You can include or exclude them, but we are not working with this because we have already included that we are searching for real estate company. So for the industry and keywords, you can search for the industry that you want to reach out to in particular. But for the reason of this video, we're just only looking out for real estate company. So in summary, we are reaching out to the HRs of real estate company in Nigeria. So yes, so as we can see, we from about 9,000 and something leads, we have been able to filter down to 320 total leads. And these are the leads that we're going to work with, and we are going to save them and add them to our sequence. That's the next step that we're going to move on to in the video. So what you just need to do is to click on all of it. If you are making use of Apollo free version, you are only permitted to save 25 leads per day, and I like to make the maximum people per company to be 2, so that maybe if they have 2 HRs in the company, maybe the HR manager or assistant HR, I'll be able to reach out to the both of them. Whichever one sees my code mail first can reply. And yes, I just use that to broaden my reach. So you can choose to save these leads, you can choose to directly send an email to each of them, or you can save them to your sequence. So you can choose to add new sequence, or if you already have an existing sequence, you can add them up to your already existing sequence. For Apollo free version, you can only create two sequences, so which I have already created mine. So we're just going to add up these leads to the sequence. So you just have to click on add to sequence, select the particular sequence that you want to add these leads to, then select the email address that is particular also that you want this code emails to be sent through. Then you click on save. So that's just basically it about adding up to your sequence. If your CRM tool is already connected to this, you can automatically the leads which you've already saved your sequence will automatically be saved also in your hotspots. Just go ahead and activate this workflow, and there you have it. So next thing we want to let's move on to our sequence. Move on to our sequence to confirm if this list has been saved. So on the top right corner, you are going to see a notification that says sequence has been successfully saved. Just 12 leads were saved out of the 25 because it showed a notification that we already have some contacts already saved in that particular sequence. So just 12 were new. So that's one good thing about Apollo. It allows you filter the leads. So that you don't send same messages again to the same people that already saved your contacts. So we just need to go to activity. After opening the particular sequence you saved the leads to, we just go to activity. There we can be able to see our activity for the past few times and day. So you can see there now you added 12 contacts to the sequence at 9:50 a.m. Then you can see the other activities I had carried out in the past also. So yeah, that's basically it, and I hope you find this video helpful.